Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some mind-blowing facts about the International Space Station. I mean, this thing is a marvel of engineering, a symbol of international cooperation, and a freaking laboratory in space. Buckle up, because this is going to be an out-of-this-world journey. Astronauts on the ISS get to see 16 sunrises and sunsets every single day. But that's not all. So if you're ready to have your mind blown wide open by the sheer awesomeness of the International Space Station, then stick around, because there's a twist you won't see coming. We're about to embark on a cosmic adventure that's sure to leave you starstruck, and maybe a little bit surprised. When it comes to space exploration, it's not just about rockets and robots, it's about people from all walks of life coming together to achieve something truly extraordinary. The International Space Station, it's a shining example of that spirit of collaboration. We're talking about 5 space agencies: NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, ESA and CSA, working hand in hand. Can you imagine the logistical feat, the sheer brain power it takes to coordinate a project of this magnitude across different languages, time zones and cultures? Each of these agencies brings its own unique expertise to the table. It's like a cosmic symphony, each agency playing its part, harmonizing to create something truly awe-inspiring. The ISS is a testament to what we can achieve when we set aside our differences and work together towards a common goal. So picture this. You're an astronaut aboard the International Space Station. You're strapped into your sleeping bag, which, by the way, is stuck to the wall because, microgravity. You drift off to sleep, and when you wake up, you're greeted by a breathtaking view. The Earth, our home planet, hanging in the blackness of space like a vibrant blue marble. The ISS isn't just casually floating around up there, it's orbiting Earth at an altitude of approximately 420 kilometers or 261 miles. In fact, it's so high up that you can actually see the curvature of the Earth. But this altitude isn't just about the view, folks. It's strategically chosen for a whole bunch of scientific reasons. At that height, the ISS is above most of Earth's atmosphere, which means there's minimal atmospheric drag. The ISS is moving so fast, a mind-boggling 28,000 kilometers per hour or 17,500 miles per hour, that as it falls, it keeps missing Earth. Hold on to your hats, space cadets, because we're about to talk speed, and I'm not talking about the kind of speed you experience on a highway or even in a supersonic jet. We're talking about the International Space Station, a technological marvel that's zipping around our planet at a mind-blowing 28,000 kilometers per hour or 17,500 miles per hour. At that speed, you could travel from New York City to Los Angeles in about 5 minutes. But here's the thing about traveling that fast in space. It's not about getting from point A to point B in record time, it's about maintaining orbit. To avoid being pulled back down to Earth by our planet's gravitational pull, the ISS needs to maintain a constant speed. In the vacuum of space, there's very little to slow the ISS down, which is why it can maintain such incredible speeds. This constant motion also means that the ISS completes one full orbit around Earth every 90 minutes. Imagine this. You wake up, and as you float over to the observation window, you're greeted by the most spectacular sunrise you've ever seen. Now, imagine experiencing that same breathtaking sunrise, not just once a day, but 16 times. That's the reality for the astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Because the ISS orbits Earth every 90 minutes, they get to witness 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every single day. These frequent transitions between day and night aren't just a visual spectacle. They also have a significant impact on the astronauts' circadian rhythms. Okay, folks, let's talk size. When it comes to human-made structures, the International Space Station is in a league of its own. This thing is massive. In fact, it's about the size of an American football field, including the end zones. Imagine, if you will, a structure so large that it can house a crew of up to 6 astronauts comfortably, with room to spare for all their scientific equipment, living quarters, and even a gym. This massive structure is made up of multiple modules, each with its own unique purpose. Every inch of space is carefully designed and utilized, from the solar panels that provide power to the life support systems that keep the astronauts alive and breathing. Now, folks, we've talked about the size and speed of the ISS, but let's not forget the real reason this incredible structure exists: science. The International Space Station isn't just a giant orbiting dormitory, it's a state-of-the-art laboratory. In space, you're in a microgravity environment, which means things don't fall down like they do here on Earth. This unique environment allows scientists to study the effects of microgravity on everything from the human body to the behavior of fluids and flames. By studying how astronauts' bodies adapt to long-duration spaceflight, scientists are gaining valuable insights into the effects of aging, muscle and bone loss, and even vision problems. These findings could one day help us develop new treatments and therapies for people here on Earth. We humans, we're explorers at heart, right? We've always been driven by a deep-seated curiosity to push the boundaries, to venture into the unknown, and to discover what lies beyond the horizon. And for the past 2 decades, the International Space Station has been a shining symbol of that unyielding human spirit. Since November 2000, the ISS has been continuously occupied by a rotating crew of astronauts, making it one of the longest-running human spaceflight missions in history. Think about that for a moment. For over 20 years, not a single day has passed without humans living and working in space. This continuous human presence in space isn't just about breaking records, folks. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and experience. The ISS has become a stepping stone, a proving ground for the technologies and strategies we'll need to venture further into our solar system, to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. But living in space, even for a few months, is no walk in the park. So, in a world often divided by borders, ideologies, and conflicts, the International Space Station stands as a shining beacon of what we can achieve when we work together. It's a testament to the power of international cooperation, a symbol of unity in the face of adversity. Think about it, 15 different countries, each with its own unique history, culture, and aspirations, all coming together to build and operate this incredible feat of engineering. We're talking about nations that were once rivals, even enemies, now working side by side, sharing knowledge, resources, and a common goal. The ISS is a symbol of what we can accomplish when we set aside our differences and focus on our shared humanity. The knowledge gained from the ISS benefits all of humanity, regardless of nationality or geographical location. Here on Earth, we're bound by the relentless pull of gravity, a force so fundamental that we often take it for granted. But aboard the International Space Station, gravity takes a back seat, creating a unique environment that's revolutionizing scientific research. We're talking about microgravity, folks. A state of near weightlessness where objects don't fall in the traditional sense. Instead, they float, allowing scientists to study the behavior of matter in ways that are impossible here on Earth. From studying the growth of protein crystals to understanding the behavior of fluids in space, the ISS is a hotbed of cutting-edge research. These experiments are leading to breakthroughs in medicine, materials science, and our fundamental understanding of the universe. As we gaze up at the night sky, the International Space Station stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. But what does the future hold for this orbiting laboratory? Well, fear not, space enthusiasts, because the ISS is far from finished. While its initial retirement was planned for 2024, there's growing support to extend its operational life to at least 2028 and potentially even beyond. This extended mission will allow scientists and engineers to conduct even more groundbreaking research, paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The ISS serves as a powerful symbol of what we can achieve when we work together and dare to dream big. It's a reminder that the future of space exploration is bright, and it's up to all of us to reach for the stars. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey exploring the wonders of the International Space Station. If you enjoyed this out-of-this-world adventure, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more amazing space content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next cosmic expedition. Remember, every time you look up at the night sky and see a bright light streaking across the horizon, That's the ISS, a symbol of human achievement orbiting our planet. Keep looking up, keep dreaming big, and never stop exploring the universe around us.